Welcome to Advanced Button Experiments with Hardware Vibe Coding. Last time, we learned basic button usage, controlling an LED in real time. But what about more complex actions like short press, long press, or double clicks on a single button? This time, we're going to see how vibe coding makes all of this happen. This is an essential interaction technique for any commercial-grade product. We'll be covering software debouncing and multi-state detection. Introducing the OneButton library. Handling debouncing, timing, and state logic all at once in a program. Traditional nested logic can become so incredibly tedious. That's where we leverage professional embedded libraries. OneButton is a mature, open-source state machine library. It encapsulates all those messy hardware, debouncing, and duration calculations. Everything is handled at the underlying layer, so we don't have to reinvent the wheel. We don't even need to calculate time manually anymore. Just tell the program what should happen when a single click occurs, and what should happen on a long press. This significantly improves your code's stability and readability. Now, let's check out the pin connections. Button connects to GPIO2, and the LED connects to GPIO1. Ready for high-efficiency AI development? It's all about delivering precise prompts. Open Langex and create a new project. Find the AI assistant. Enter the requirements. Use only the OneButton library to write a multifunction button program. Button on GPIO2, active high, and LED on GPIO1. Requirements: single-click toggles LED, double-click flashes LED twice. Long press for over 2 seconds. LED flashes 3 times, then turns off completely. Just wait a moment. Look at that. AI instantly generates high-level blocks based on the library. Now let's analyze this advanced logic program together. Notice there are no complex if-else statements. Instead, it uses bound click callbacks and event-driven modules like bound long press callbacks. In the main loop, we only need to keep a single tick function. It acts like the heart of the button logic, running in the background, automatically handling all the debouncing and timing for you. AI combined with the OneButton library is the perfect replacement for error-prone manual nesting. Logic looks perfect. Click Upload to upload it to your development board. Time for physical verification. Single-click the LED toggles perfectly. Rapid double-click the LED accurately flashes twice. Long press over 2 seconds LED flashes 3 times and resets 2 off. The experiment is a total success. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to make the circuit board play a melody and perform Twinkle Twinkle Little Star for you.